Welcome back everyone to another production of the Paris Plumbing and Construction. You know we say, from you see me and you see the view, you know what time it is. Yeah man, it is Stonewall time. So here we have it, the guys are on work. Yeah, so they're putting in the work right now. And this is the front wall, we're putting it together. If you can see that line right there, yeah you can, yeah, that's where we're going with it. So that's the top of it. Look as if it is very deep right now because it's a hillside, so on the hillside everything looks different. So let me show you where we are and let me show you what's taking place. So this is the gate, this is the entrance right here. So this is the entrance, that's the pedestrian gate right there, and then that's also the driveway. That wall up there is a wall that we've been working on for the longest while, but we had stopped for a little to do this one. So we're going to start this one, the back one there. We're going to start it in a few. So as soon as we finish this one, we'll go back to that one. The artist behind the stonework. So there is cutting it and putting it together. Alright guys, thank you all for watching, and please do remember to like the video, share the video and subscribe if you don't already done so.